I've been making a list about the new complications we've discovered about inheritance and how traits show up in the next generation.
It sure was easier with Mendel's simple Ps. Only 2 alleles, one dominant and one recessive.
Well, life is more complex than that. Let's take a look at this list and see how well both of you do defining terms.
Incomplete dominance. That's when 2 alleles both affect the phenotype. The F1 heterozygote generation gets some influence from both parents.
Good.
Multiple alleles. That's when there are more than 2 possibilities, like human blood types.
More precisely, it's when an individual has 2 alleles out of a possible multiple number for the species. What do you have to watch for in the phenotype?
Well, in human blood types, this would be determined by either substance A or substance B on the red blood cells, which produce different phenotypes, A, B, AB, and O.
Good.
Pleiotropy. I'll pass on that one.
Well, tropy means response, like phototropism in plants when they grow towards light. And I looked up pleo. It means more. So pleiotropy means one gene influences lots of other phenotypic responses, not just one.
You looked it up?
Well, it helps me remember words if I know what they mean, and I can relate them to other words.
It's true. If you can recognize a root word, or prefixes or suffixes, you are way ahead in the sciences. Did you look up epistasis as well?
I did. Epi means on, and stasis I already knew.
Sure.
Well, you would too if you thought about it. Current electricity is flowing. Static electricity is standing still. We took homeostasis earlier this year. It's when one organism is not changing or in steady state, standing still. Epistasis means on standing, so one gene overrides another even though the genotype may appear dominant.
I'll just memorize the terms, thanks.
Okay, let's keep going. What's codominance?
Well, that's easy. That's when 2 alleles share dominance. Like the AB blood type, when blood cells get the antigen protein because both alleles work.
Great. And polygenic?
Well, I can play the game with this one. Polygons means many sides, so polygenic means many genes. It takes many genes to make one phenotype.
Good. Is that it?
Well, the last thing that changes phenotypes isn't really genetic.
But Jason, the effect of the environment on the expression of genotypes is critical. All organisms have a genetic potential, and the environment is a key influence.
That's it? They're all there?
Well done.